So we are conducting this competition to revise about to know the worth of the students who learned Vedic maths. We are doing competition on conducting competition on multiplication and division. Yep, we got answer from Vanraj this time, and maybe it is right. What about Aditri? Yeah, Vanraj got the point this time. Answer which is given by Vanraj is into, yep.
Let's go.
Yep. Let's move to the next question. Like division by 25. It is division by 25.
Wait, sir, I have a question.
Yep.
Sir?
Tell me.
So like instead of writing reminder, can't you just write point? Will you count that or not?
No, it is not counted. You just remember your points.
Okay.
So this time Vanraj given the answer. That is like it is Teju. It is not multiplication. It is not multiplication. You thought it is multiplication, right? But it is division. Fine. So answer is given by Rishit and Aditri and also Vanraj. So Vanraj got 2 points and Teju got 2 points, I think. Yes? Yes?
Yes.
Till now. Okay, coming to the next question. Do it. Yep. This time answer given by Teju, but he sent the answer as a second option, so we need to go with Vanraj again. So point goes to 342 is the answer. Vanraj got 3 points. So don't be in a hurry to give the wrong answers and don't type mistakes. Teju given the answer, but instead of 342, he sent 242. Okay, fine. Let's move to the next one. Like, do it. Sorry. 2 digit into 2 digit multiplication. Yeah, this time Teju given the answer 5636 and Rishik given another answer. Oh, 2 digit into 2 digit. If you did wrong, you see, this is the problem while we are having tension in our mind. Even easy methods also, you will give wrong answers. Like, so it is like this is the problem. Then we will get 3 and 40. Sorry, 45, 64, and 40 plus 72. It is like 2. Apply carrier rule. Answer will be 4, 8, 16. 5684 is the answer. And this answer is given by Rishit, and Rishit got point. Very good, Rishit. Rishit 1, Tejas 2, and Vanraj 3. Till now, these are the points. Let's move to the next one. 9. Do it division, it is division. Clear? Division, not multiplication. Division. 6854 divided by 9. Here we will have Rishit typed wrong. Teju given the correct answer. Teju got 1 point. 3, 3.
I accidentally typed it.
Yeah. 3, 3, 1. Till now. We'll move to the Rafi, do it. This is 3 digit into 3 digit multiplication. Yep, this time Teju got the answer and he got 4 points. Teju 4, Vanraj 3.
I answered it first.
Yeah,
If you
but
can see, I
answer is
answered it
wrong.
first.
Answer is wrong. Yeah, answer is wrong. Maybe mistyped.
No, it's the same. It's
172 given. 122 is the answer. You just check it, okay? And the next question. So if you do it like division by 25. It is division. Okay, all of you, it is division. Yeah, we got answer from. Forget about Rishit, you forget about remaining. You do your work first. What about remaining answers?
Is everyone private commenting it?
No one is sent the answer till now. I got answer from only Vanraj. What about remaining? Division by 25 it is. Yeah, we got the answer from Rishit and Abhitri and Teju. 2, 3, 4. Okay, fine. Vanraj got 4 points and Teju got 4 points. And answer is 2, 3, 4, 7, 9. It is divided by 25. And final question, maybe for Vanraj or Teju will give the answer correct. Maybe. Otherwise, other one will get the point. Let me check it. Let me give you the difficult problem so that it will be very good for viewers too, so that they can understand. Like this, I have given, yep, it is more number of nines. Yeah, we got the answer from Teju, and winner of the day goes to Teju. He's the master of already. We know already he's Mr. One. He got so many names he awarded with, and congratulations, congratulations to the winner, to winner Sanju. Everyone can congratulate him. He became the winner of both multiplication and division. All of you unmute yourself, and it is in a healthy competition between you all. Clear? It is not like a fight. Yeah, not by chart. You can.
Good job.
Congratulations.
And Rishit.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much, and we are ending